Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your save data could not be loaded from Rockstar cloud servers at this time in GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is simply you need to go on search, and then you need to look for documents, and then you need to look for Rockstar games, then GTA 5, then profiles. And what you need to do here is to delete the profiles folder here. And after you delete the folder here, then simply the next step what you need to do here is to run GTA 5, and then you will get a message that says enable cloud save files. And what you need to do here is to press enable cloud save files, and after that the game should work and error should be gone. Right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.